Welcome back everyone to this tutorial about standardization. Standardization is the process of converting any distribution to standard distribution by transforming mean to 0 and standard deviation to 1. Mu the mean and sigma the standard deviation after standardized will be equal to 0 and 1. How we are going to do that? And the way is very simple. We subtract the mean from each value and divide the result by the standard deviation. So after we find the mean in data observations, we subtract it from each value and divide it by sigma. And the result here is Z. So Z is the score or the value that we get after we standardized the data. And the question here, why we need to standardize normal distribution? The simple answer is when standardize a variable, we can calculate the probability of a score occurring within our normal distribution. In other words, we can use the variable in the testing analysis. So when the variables are standardized, we can apply the normal standard distribution rules and test that variable. And you are going to see that in the next tutorials when we start using the standard normal distribution to find the confidence levels and testing the hypothesis. So for example, mean here in this scenario equal 3 and standard deviation equal 1.8. So to standardize this distribution, first we need to shift the curve to the left. In other words, we want to make the mean equal 0. So this is the first step. Now mean equals 0 and the standard deviation still equal 1.8. And the next step is to make standard deviation equal 1. So now mean equals 0 and the standard deviation equal 1. So this is a standard normal distribution. And this is very interesting interactive website where you can standardize the normal distribution. So copy this link to your web browser and let's see how we are going to do that.